Hello and welcome to Seekeras. On this video, we bring you everything you need to know about the TCS campus selection process. Employing well over 3 lakh people in 46 countries, Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) carries out recruitment drives across reputed colleges in India to select the best and brightest young talent and offer them an opportunity to work with the company. With countless applicants vying for jobs, candidates are required to go through a three-stage selection process involving elimination after every round. Here's all you need to know about the campus selection process at TCS. Application and eligibility. Recruitment through the campus recruitment channel is among the easiest ways to find employment with TCS since you are only competing against your peers. To apply, a candidate must have a minimum aggregate of 60% in all exams since class 10 in the first attempt. A maximum of one pending backlog in the highest qualification is permitted at the time of applying, which should be cleared if selected. Only those candidates that have graduated from full-time courses are eligible. Minimum age criteria is 18 years. Applications with more than 3 years work experience are not eligible for these placements, and gap in education or employment, if applicable, must not exceed 2 years and should be accompanied by a valid reason. Next, we have the Aptitude Test. It consists of 4 rounds. A. Email writing, which is 1 question 10 minutes. B. Quantitative ability and reasoning ability, 20 questions to 40 minutes. C. Programming language efficiency, 10 questions 20 minutes. And D. Coding test, 1 question 20 minutes. The third process is email writing. You will be given instructions and a set of keywords. Follow the exact directions and use all the keywords in the same order as listed in the question. Omit all unnecessary details from your email. Your answer should be a minimum of 50 words. The ideal length is 70 to 80 words. Sometimes the word length is mentioned in the question. Avoid spelling errors and typos, big words and complex sentences. Keep the writing crisp and to the point, and remember to use accepted norms for salutation and signing off. Analytical reasoning. This section tests your quantitative and reasoning ability. Time management is critical. Try and solve the easy questions first before attempting the difficult ones. There are certain star questions that carry more marks. Don't get stuck on these unless you are confident on solving them quickly, since it could upset your time management. Instead, return after solving the easy questions. Next, we have programming language efficiency. This is a new round introduced by TCS where candidates must answer 10 multiple choice questions on C language based on basic programming concepts. Next, we have the coding test. This test is of the command line programming type where candidates are required to solve one programming question in 20 minutes in C language using an inbuilt online compiler. Prepare for basic programs like leap year GCD, Fibonacci series, HCF, LCM, odd even series, etc. Then we have the personal interviews. This includes 3 rounds: technical, managerial, and HR. The managerial round may be omitted depending on the discretion of the employers. Next, we have the technical round. Choose 2 domains or technologies as your specialization and study them in depth, including new versions and updates. Cover the general programming concepts. Knowledge of C language is a plus. Be prepared for detailed questions on the projects you worked on. You could also be asked to write programs during the interview. And then we have the managerial round. This is a stress interview intended to gauge your response to a pressure situation. Expect brain teasers, deliberate efforts to confound you, skepticism, and emotional intimidation. Much depends on your interviewer. And then we have the last round, the HR round. This is where they assess things like your attitude and fitment in the company, apart from informing you about the terms and conditions of employment. Expect standard HR questions on why you want to join the company, why you think you're a better choice than the other candidates, your strengths and weaknesses, apart from behavioral questions. While the recruitment process may seem quite rigorous, a few weeks of preparation could give you a good shot at getting selected. So prepare well and apply. It could be an ideal launchpad for your career. So this was our video on all you need to know about the TCS campus selection process, and if you're looking for more videos related to interviews, then subscribe to our channel Seekeras, and thank you for watching.